Hey everybody, my name is Bobby Borg, and for the past 30 years I've been working successfully in the music industry. I'm also the author of this book, Introduction to Music Publishing for Musicians, and if you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you have an interest in learning about music publishing from A to Z. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this book, which can help you ultimately turn your passion for music into a successful business. The book starts by talking about the basics of copyright, including all of the amendments to the Copyright Act that deal with digital rights. Then it takes you into learning about the 4 food groups of music publishing, including sub-publishing and electronic transmissions as well, which talks a lot about the Spotify royalties and things you guys want to know about. Then it talks about publishing companies and deals, so you know what to expect when you enter into contracts, and also talks about publishing yourself, how to put it out there, how to collect royalties, so on and so forth. We then move into the creative aspects of music publishing and talk about things like pitching your music to film and television people, and also give you a whole bunch of interviews from some of the top industry pros today. Then we move into the future of music publishing, so you know where music publishing is going. Some of the features of this book, well, here is the beautiful front cover, and here is the back cover. Here is the thickness of the book, and here's an idea of what the text looks like. What's cool about this book is it has a lot of little box text stories like this to support the text. And also, you know what's really cool, you guys? Short chapters. They're only 2-page chapters, sometimes 3-page chapters, so it's very, very digestible, and it's written in a very conversational tone as well. At the end of every chapter, there's something called a facts section, frequently asked questions. So this is great. What we did is we actually surveyed a lot of our customers and students and asked them, hey, what are little tidbits of information you want to know? So some eclectic, really cool and useful facts at the end of every chapter. As for me, I'm a former major label independent and DIY recording and touring artist, the author of several other books, and a professor of music industry studies at top universities. My partner is also a former musician, has been running his own music publishing company called Pen Music Group for like the last 30 years or something. So if you're someone that wants to learn about music publishing from A to Z, be sure to check out this book available on Amazon. And if you guys want more music publishing video tips right here, why don't you start with this one called How to Protect Your Song Copyrights. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. My name is Bobby Borg. Thanks for watching. Peace.